Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. Today I'm participating in my first $5 Goodwill challenge hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. I've decided to do two Goodwill challenges today. They're both under $5 and I think you'll enjoy them. Be sure to check out Hillary's channel and all the other people who will be uploading their videos through the playlist link that is in the description box, along with Hillary's channel link. I found this wooden plaque sign at a Value Village quite a while ago. It was $4.99. I still had the sticker on the back of it. And I noticed the sticker from Michael's. It was actually $22 for regular price. It's already got some great distressing to it. It's got the shiplap lines to it. So I'm going to be adding a wreath and some florals just to dress it up a bit. This grapevine wreath I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and it was $1.25 here in Canada. And what I did was just hot glue it where it met the wood plank. So it's just at the top and the bottom. I've got some big gobs of hot glue, but you won't be able to see that once I add the florals. I got this greenery on a garland. It's asparagus fern, and I picked it up at my Dollarama here in Canada, and it was, I think, $2.50, and I've used tons of it already, and I still have lots of it left over. So I just thought I would add this in a circular pattern all the way around. The next thing I did was take some lavender sprigs that I had and included them on the wreath as well, just to give it a little extra pop of color. Lastly, I decided to just put the word home on the center of the wood sign, and I just used my Sharpie marker paint pen in black and did some freehand letters just to spell the word home. I like how this sign turned out. I love the combination of the wood and the grapevine wreath and the greenery. It just looks really rustic and down to earth. It's a perfect addition to the farmhouse look that I have in parts of my home. This decor item was also a thrift store find for $3.99. Unfortunately, I did not take any photos or videos of the original look, but the exterior of it, the frame part, was a black metal and the inside was just a paper script writing. It was fairly old, so I decided to replace that. The first thing I did was take a thin piece of plywood that we had hanging around and cut it to the size of the frame. Then I used white at the bottom and 3 different shades of gray to create this buffalo plaid textured look. I will link my buffalo plaid tutorial in the description box below if you want to go check out how I did that. And then I took my white dry brush with my white linen paint and just did a little bit of distressing across the buffalo plaid. I painted the black part with my aged gray chalk paint first, and then I took it outside to give it a coat of the hammered metal spray paint. I'll insert a picture of that here. And I just went across it very lightly. I just wanted to give it a little bit of some texture just so it would look like galvanized metal. Here's a close-up look of how the galvanized metal spray paint turned out. Just a tip for you, spray paint isn't exactly inexpensive, so what I like to do is make sure that I put a base coat of just regular paint like chalk paint in the color that I'm going to use for the spray paint, and then go over it with the spray paint, because then you're just doing some really light coats of spray and not wasting all of it trying to cover dark color. I hope you enjoyed this $5 Goodwill challenge, both of my ideas. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching!